How to buy a property in Italy, the steps to take before viewing properties. Having decided on the why, where and what of buying property in Italy, you now need to consider the how. And the first question is often, how do you start? Undertaking research on the internet is a good starting point. However, better still, is if you know the area where you want to buy, maybe because you've spent numerous holidays there, or you have family living there. However, before you get stuck into your research, would you like to get an ongoing collection of news, reports, resources and courses on working and living in Italy? It's so easy to access. Just take a quick moment to subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss out again. Plus, don't forget to watch the video to the very end where you'll get details on how to download your free ebook entitled, You Can Start a Brand New Life in Italy. So, back to searching out your dream property. Part 5. The steps required to be taken before viewing properties. There are many other considerations to research from the comfort of your home, as follows. 1. Determine your budget, and stick to it. 2. Start learning to speak Italian. 3. Are you intending to buy using a mortgage as well as your own funds? 4. If a mortgage is required to part-fund the property purchase, you'll find that a number of Italian banks do offer mortgages to non-residents. The process is along the lines of A. The bank will review your personal finances and information about the property. B. You'll make a mortgage application, and a surveyor will be appointed to inspect the property, and report any issues. C. The notary that you hire will issue a title check report to the bank, confirming that the seller has the rights to the property, and that it can be successfully transferred to you. D. Assuming all of your finances are in order, and the property checks are all okay, the bank will issue you a formal mortgage approval. E. You'll agree on a signing date in conjunction with the notary and seller, and the funds will be released accordingly. 5. You'll need to be prepared to make a down payment on the property. This payment is made directly to the seller, and is usually a sum of 5 to 10% of the total purchase price. 6. Open a bank account. For any bank operations, as a rule, you should open an account with an Italian bank, to make the bank transfer when buying a property. If you're planning to pay your deposit from abroad, as well as transfer funds from your local bank account, it's a good idea to use an efficient and cost-effective money transfer service, such as TransferWise. Not only do you get a better exchange rate than your local bank, but you also avoid costly international bank transfer fees. Details are shown in the description box, below this video. It will also be possible to pay utility bills using the same account. 7. Are you already an EU citizen or are you from outside the EU? Either way, you can buy, and rent, a property in Italy. It's just that the process is likely to be a bit more bureaucratic if you're a non-EU citizen. 8. Are you up to date with how the property market, local to where you intend to buy, is performing? 9. Locate and make contact with real estate agents or realtors in the location you're seriously considering, and build up some rapport with them so that they provide you with as much local knowledge and information as possible. Check out a few useful links in the description box below this video to help you choose a real estate agent. 10. Link up with an English-speaking solicitor or lawyer based in Italy, and who knows the area well, once you make the decision to go ahead and start your property search. 11. You may also want to use the same solicitor or lawyer to guide you on the types of visa and the permits for residence you require. 12. Seek the services of a tax accountant to sort out your tax affairs in your home country, as you'll be legally obligated to submit tax returns. This applies if you move to Italy, as well as if you're just buying a holiday home, but rent it out occasionally. The same applies if you're buying the property as an investment. Not only will your tax accountant take away the worry of dealing with your tax office, but they'll also reclaim any tax refunds you could be entitled to. 13. Get a tax ID. The tax identification code, Codus Fiscale, is an encoded individual number which holds your personal data. The tax ID code is necessary to have when dealing with any government agencies in Italy, such as obtaining medical insurance, transacting business, signing property contracts, opening a bank account, and for other essential and necessary services. In Italy, you can get your tax ID code at the local tax office by presenting your passport. You can also get your tax ID code at the Italian consulate or embassy in your country. There are numerous real estate agents online, so view their websites. Some may even have affiliated offices in your local town or city, so use this as an opportunity to visit that office in person to ask questions, as the staff there will either know the area where you are intending to buy, or they'll have contacts in that area to refer you to. Once you're in a position to start physically viewing properties, you may want to rent a property in the area that you intend to look, as opposed to booking a hotel, especially if you intend to spend at least a week in Italy. Some people rent a property for 3 to 6 months to really get to know the area and the community before buying, and if you're fortunate enough to be able to do this, then do so. Once you've undertaken as much research as you can, the next step is to make arrangements to view properties in Italy, which we'll cover in the next stage in the Italian property buying process, in the next video, part 6. Entitled, The Steps Required to be Taken When Viewing Properties. In the meantime, and to ensure you don't miss out on future videos and updates on expat essentials for Italy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then hit the bell icon. Don't forget to download your free ebook entitled, You Can Start a Brand New Life in Italy. The URL link is in the description box, just below this video. Finally, don't forget to share this video with friends, family, business colleagues and associates. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day. Until next time, ciao for now.